When Northtown acquired the lot, it was our intent to build a home here, infill housing. But as the housing market changed in the city, our intent was to keep it an attractive, vacant, open green space. And as time goes by, that kind of wears you out, and people start to say, well, it's just a vacant lot. So by looking at the Detroit Future City Field Guide, there were many, many examples of what could be done to improve the lot.
Using the Detroit Future City Field Guide, the Challenge Detroit design team set out to create and implement a landscape over the course of the 5-week project.
Well, I think Challenge Detroit has met its challenge. It is fun for me, but it might be tough for you guys because you have to produce something in a very limited time frame.
As is paramount in any design project, the key to creating a flourishing green space was neighborhood feedback.
So it took a lot of collaboration. We actually had a neighborhood meeting here on the lot one Wednesday evening, and there was probably 10 neighbors that showed up, and we were able to, our team of 8 people was able to split up into 2 groups and talk to 2 different groups of neighbors on either side of the lot.
There just was a lot of stakeholders who had very valid opinions about what the lot looked like and what they were hoping to get out of the project. So meshing all of those together and coming up with a design that for certain the neighbors and the owner of the lot enjoyed was like the highest priority, but still trying to fit in everyone else's opinions, probably the biggest challenge.
With the community's input, Challenge Detroit created a hybrid of 2 low-maintenance lot designs, Urban Edge and Dumping Preventer. Together, these 2 concepts are intended to enhance the beauty of the lot while restricting access.
It's a unique lot from a design standpoint. It's a lot between 2 occupied houses, and I think what we're doing here is the best solution for that, sort of putting a wall of landscaping at the front to make the lot look like it's occupied and used by the 2 houses, and just to continue a street wall in the front so that people don't see this as just a vacant space to hang out.
With grant money provided by Black Family Development, Challenge Detroit purchased materials and spent a full weekend molding the lot into what it is today.
I can't believe that we're getting this done in 5 weeks, but we are. So I think if we can get it done in 5 weeks, there's a lot that other people can also do with the field guide if we're able to do this.
I think that DFC's guide is a great starting point, and it gives opportunity for neighbors to use something that's pre-designed but also put their own flair into it. And I would encourage anybody across the city using the DFC lot design guide to find a happy compromise between their own style and their own flair and what DFC has already put together to make it a little bit easier to implement the process.
This small development on Rolliat Street in Northeast Detroit will hopefully serve as an example of what vacant lot transformation can do for this neighborhood and the city.
It also is a tool that we could market our neighborhood and say, you want a good place to live, to work, to play, come to our neighborhood and be part of our neighborhood scene. We have many opportunities for you to do that.